Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so very much to the sponsors. It is for you that I make these videos, or rather that we make these videos. I just talk, everything else is put together by the director and producer of these videos from the SYSTER channel. This time we will be talking a little bit differently from the usual. I want to show you a couple of a short video and some photographs that I took during my recent visit to Stockholm. Home sweet home again. I have heard over the winter and before that three fairly well-known wrecks are quite well exposed, and in all the years that I have spent there and all the visits, I have never seen these so well exposed as they were at the moment. And yes, there are some photographs on the internet that show them even better exposed, but what I saw was quite interesting. And well, may you ask me, why am I interested in these wrecks of Kastellholmen, very much in the center of Stockholm? The reason is simple. We have reasonable guess. Some documentary traces are suggesting that at least one of these vessels may be a ship built by Master Hibertsson, the same shipwright, the same master shipwright who began the construction of Vasa. As we know, he passed away during the construction of the ship, fairly early on in the construction, in fact, and was completed by Hein Jakobsson. But this vessel was a much smaller, a single-decked ship, and was entirely built by Hibertsson. And it is believed that at the end of its useful life, it was intentionally sunk to form a bridge between Kastellholmen and the neighboring small island. It's probably a different topic altogether, but the names of Kastellholmen versus Skeppsholmen have changed over the centuries and are now reversed to what it was in the 17th century. This is neither here nor there, but the point is that this is why I'm interested in these wrecks, and that's why I was eager to have a look at them, or at least what is exposed of them, as one of them may indeed be Hibertsson's product. If that is the case, I do hope that somebody eventually goes around excavating and properly documenting them, because it will be very interesting comparison to Vasa. It will be very interesting to see whether we can find the evidence, the telltales of Dutch shipbuilding as we can on Vasa and other wrecks. So enjoy the video, have a look at this wreck. It's amazing how much is visible of it. And what would I not do to spend a summer excavating this wreck? Oh well, one can dream. So, thank you so much for watching. Thank you ever so much to the sponsors for your kind generosity. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.